esumbo chen ade nyina. Yes, life is beautiful. Sometimes you distress baby. You want to have this, you want to be here, you want to be there, you want to become this, you want to become that. Now I hear pressure, baby. But think about it. What of Obia when ya now so the person is no more living. And you say bia wa Bob Brana near do ni penny few so at that age where or quiet Becca say oh we dear or be born bra, but somebody full of life with so many years ahead of the person. Now obetia na odaya one sorry. This is the day the Lord has made. It is a the ocean on some kind, but say rather don't quite sure why. Meanwhile, I have few moon and a day radius. And right now, me perceive me brother ya DB mommy, and I'm see you. Shiana, me no coffee na. Ye be mommy near there. Na abra. Meaning I'm on the way to my house. Nah, or can't story be about someone who lost his life? And I'm saying, no. Or can't you not? Now Sunday, about so I'm on phone. Want it? I said no. Hey. I feel Mr. Debbie, then you call Eugene say I don't send the picture na me share. Now me share picture and I was shocked. I was like, what? This young man? No way. No way. But you see, that is life. Who knew the better in the next minute? Iti di besi bia no se rade bon ho ban no do kono san do ba ese se ofi mu nyina na ode rade ase obi o so many years ahead of him, very promising, and I'm even told say or ye ne masters we cra crunch. So upon hearing that and some calls near the dynamity and so people were gathering at that particular time. Now I said they were doing something sort of vigil before him. So I had to pass through. Now be said them ranting about wapa and you show just last night. You see, it's a nyame edo unkwachewa. There are days because ye can't bimpa na omo film. They were even living righteous life better than you. What I say? O boni mu nema bi mu ache say anka ye bie so pa mo bi enwa tim say anka bon kra. Yet Adom bi so you go and you come. You sleep and you wake up. You fall sick, you visit the hospital, and you get well and come back home again. And you think, say, automatic. You think, say, that is how it should be. No, it is just by the grace. Because I are born now, but we survive, you know. Obi dear born here, kitty. Obi send it pine keke. Obi I say me ya. As I what them. Yeah, now pa. But we are a man for be no chen kra no be am hye. Aka uti kwa nkra ne tua so. Obi anim se ni da so asa. Yet erade so mu je o. Ade na on few mu nyina na on there erade ase. That is what I want you to do this afternoon. That's the message I have for you. Baby, I would do be. Maybe you just woke up this morning. Pressure. And now, from morning till now, for the life that you've given me. Just take a minute and say that to God right now. Thank Him for the life that He has given you. Good afternoon one more time and welcome to your own show, Ofie Kwanso, on Adom 106.3 FM. And it's Tuesday, and it happens to be the 24th of November, 2020. Now, him said, yeah, every Tuesday, confessions. Yeah. And the announce your business, near the amount. Why? But before we move any further, no. My reminder say, Nyame Adom Chinechi Thursday. And I feel Friday. APSA ready to work campaign. Where you're a fresh graduate, you're looking for a way to earn a living, and they with me join APSA ready to work virtual sessions. No, now you're both me a transition from learning to earning. You're a team of experts. No, we'll be live on our Facebook page and Zoom on Thursday and Friday. I engage you on entrepreneurship and people skills. Kaishen say Thursday and Friday, 10 a.m. prompt. It's time to get ready to work. That's Africanacity. That's APSA. Now, and then when you cook bianum, and now on Sprite, and now the Fanta now feel the on Sabe can be aye. Then the woman say, and they say, what of Fanta, Coke, and I say Sprite, 1.5 liter bottle now. The Coca-Cola Bottling Company of Ghana, a partner with the Ghana COVID-19 private sector fund. It's you Coke, Sprite, and our Fanta, 1.5 liter bottle no. Oh, and join and I cook for 10 pesos if he says he can. And they are Kotosa fund him. And on I be used to say he can to support amazing initiatives. Bidding to say the anti-stigmatization campaign, the construction of additional infectious disease centers, and a decade can be. And to cause one refresher home with Coke, Sprite, and now say Fanta, 1.5 liter now. Now so contribute to I don't know. Then you mean to be sharp. What I say? Yeah, that cook for us. Every Papa Bills were African, were Jamestown, Jiko, Prince of Soa. Mensua meeting with Chame. Your friend Jerry Justice. I am a desert on so kind of home. Baby, I want now on so Ofie Kwanso Jumedi. Nyame Unsha. Now on your case, now on Domo. Our queen now, so can say amen. If I try what wouldn't you try to move away MTN Momo no so now person will activate no. And they MTN more aquarium work to me is self-activation. Not just a while bit me try to move brown call MTN office be an uncle who a Momo vendor be as on your mouth. Very simple. For phone dial *170# for MTN Momo. Now I select a 4-digit PIN number. Then you re-enter that PIN number to confirm it. We are saying we will receive a confirmation message. Yeah, no, confirm your activation. But in an unlikely event, say ABS our message now pop up. Now about more than contacting in various digital channels, no. And now we use my MTN app, no, for further assistance. Shen says ultimate link here your bank account, no, to your Momo wallet to make life even more easy. MTN Momo is your fastest, secure, and most convenient way to transact business today. Terms and conditions apply. Just Momo it everywhere you go. You know what I'm saying? We did for you everywhere you go. And that's MTN. Say, Gino for say, I'm out for your promo. I have been met me out for so many binida. But almost almost for promotion be a bar. So person dibi nkwa dia kan ne kan obedibi eti edin kra no says it all. Gino Max obia bedibi promotion. Gino Max obia bedibi promotion. Pretty simple. Now Now with this promo no raffle same be any draw same be any. In fact no wahala. Obia a winner. So for every Gino Max Pro trade via betono, ubetimi we need cash, ubetimi we need TV, mobile phone, and now say blender betimi your dear rice cooker, ubetimi your airtime, ubetimi your tablet. In fact, I tried the doors will be brave. It is this simple. Make sure say obema on Saka and also we find that special code in every Gino Max promo trade. I'll better in. Now if you want follow instructions now to redeem your prize. It's as simple as that. So what are you waiting for? Grab yours now. Now Irini. What is it? And a special one going out to you, David Yanka. It's your birthday today. Wishing you a happy birthday. Filled with blessings from our Lord Jesus Christ. David Yanka. Oh, yeah, the Church of Pentecost, Palermo, Italy. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day in a special way. And this one is coming from my presiding elder, Elder John Akom Asante, also of the Church of Pentecost, Tema Community 1 English Assembly. And special shouts going out to Nana Ekuya Messi, we a makeup artist. Our dance man last stop. Nana Kwante Bisa say oh ciao. Happy birthday also going out to Joyce Tego of Awoshi. Wishing you God's blessings. Yes, it is my prayer that you get more wins, prosperity, and all the good things you wish for yourself as you celebrate your birthday today. This one's coming from Emmanuel K. Obeng of Achimota. So say MDS Lancet ewo branches too ewo tema. First na ba ko pe ewo tema. Baby a one community 9 ene General Hospital no edi nhwe ani mo. Say Lancet for baby branch ba ko tema de aka ho. Ene wo tema Community 1 in the same building with Star Assurance close to Prudential House. Unya more information now. Obetimi afre MDS Lancet was 050-410-1201 and now 0302-610-480. And yes, answer I am Facebook page and no MDS Lancet Laboratories. Obetimi follow on Instagram at MDS Lancet. Na BBNia etimi dinkita ho nation say MDS Lancet an ISO certified lab papa and no any the optimum standard for medical laboratories. MDS Lancet, key to diagnostic excellence. Yeah. All right, so ya baba kwa homano so me pacho brand shed the new bebrisa eti message bebri me mama from na me kan say e to da on ebi no problem pa anka omo pe akwanya no so betimi aba dwumadi so na omo ene ache na ahwe mwa betimi di aboa but obehwe no na obi so abeje ahoma na kenten so saa afi unhu baby ode ade ne fa na aye nsempi me pacho said I am a taika no so woni problem bia udi nya botre keke na etrase na eti show no on de mechiri eden a obeti obi de na anuyi na ho akwanche ne ban so a obetie bi na wode atuhufo eno ye better so atase na omo e wo problem no enya kwan etimi monwrem eti pacho 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 ofra said the onim dada no embodi nkyerɛ baabi a free bands no men kan kyerɛ na emum problem na e hawo no ka kyerɛ obi de ya ware mu nsɛm kwan ya ne kunu de ne nam so obi de ne rede ne fam obi de between on ne maame obi de between on ne papa obi ɛyɛ ɔne ne ma obi ɛyɛ ɔne ne nuanom obi kura ɔne ne sɔfo obi ɔne ne boss at the office enye easy ensem no dɔso obi so ye kan ɔno ani problem no enam ɔno so nti obi bre wasetre mu saa sɛm na ya metaika onyaaya otuze wanu ne onyaaya anka but damage na wa cause no ɔyɛ ho wie nye yi etu hu nipa kono na ayeso so fa bro be na ɛwo no ohu kwan ya mfanfa so bring it out na yemboa 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 na yenhwe emwa bitimi dia boa medical catcher say member udi nchen any baby a o kasa efri yenkwa homa no so yen hya se yemfa frɛ no. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. IBBO. Yeah, hello. Hello. Wow. Omon check it. Ade no my na. Minim onipa no ade nso so yente. Hello. Akoko na ebo no. Hello. Wede akoko na mo I say Judas Judas akoko. Oh man. Hello. Yeah, good afternoon. Oh, me patrol radio no. Bibi aboko there.
Adom 106.3.
Nice one. Adom Kroyenti, mesme ho ya.
Nigeria me dey me afa some start winning. Me ya food.
Hello?
It's my blog.
You, what the yenti wasem na de nam right?
Me dey me afi so nya me ahwe yes na aba ya huban. But you me dey na say, minimum run over. Me say no. I to say me the son wedi along to so ba buani. The son wedi on to so ba buani. Not me so suggest to say if you are or bedu me chi. E mean no ya fam. Simpacho e afa to cancel me na onhwe de be ya fam na.
Oh, the ene say ubisa bibi okunu a omwa wo.
Debi. My papa bi ncho si omboa me biem. It press see me. Me the fruit bia me the bread me the pastry me the bread bi na wa cash
o de enya me na obrɛ me ade mi o de o problem na yenhwe o say ubisa uku asemo. Hello atiafaso yes I try bi na. Hello. Yeah, good afternoon. It is saying
you.
All right, Patrick, into it.
Patrick, me the say me so my master bitida and me guy me yes I don't know me guy so ate ama adina ha me si me kuskus adina egusu ha me and me hu na me finya me ho maye me am kasa maye de me bia nso ni then I'm like never na ekoso nti me so njai ama me crown me say me call hospital e ko check na e feel like me no bian so na that the but e feel me nyadin so mo yare and no anything ama me we call hospital na dey no dey ma me no me na e good afom say am sam bi me call ya me kwa me fa so akon ni asem me call ya adwuma na say me yes kana say me dey scanning so am dey call na e ya ntimi ndu ya e say e na me dey call kama me hu e ni pa
me ba cho now o masturbate na wajai
wacha me jai ache
ntu jai ache e na sese no se den e how bi ntu wasan go back to say o masturbate bi mu ana sesen
wacha de ni biom
unye biom but sese abeja problems sa na person akire
yeah pacha and ba sa no maya nso ni nyewe ntimi ko 106 dia me se me twa bodin like uni doctor du atin yo
o de yen twese say problems na aba no as who person you believe say as of your friends saying as a result of masturbation now you know and until man what's our problem this is you know we are sure of that
and me last month me corona you don't the man I'm seeing some baby and you know and there's me ku school adi me ko wash you be nyama na manya kakra na mda ku school.
Okay, so now obezo chese eduro no ko gene na eboa but sika na eni wa besan de akogye eduro bi mu.
That's why.
Papa Bills no beka se we chiro why. Onya wo enche so betimi atwa eduro bi mu. We me share that for we ma me ha counselor bibiri but ni nyina mu no ye kan the other day counselor enye room pa me hu say masturbation hard drink na nsunsu anso onye and this goes to confirm asemo counselor kan now he has stopped masturbating no we jai masturbation na oye no for a long time but consequences no repercussions na wo ho no and as say o face you timpacho afi na wo hya ase a itufo an wati na semo counselor kan ni na wadi so atwe ho afi ho na enya de pa why yen to aso hello wow
Hello?
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother.
I to say?
Yeah, me adwa now say.
Miss me hoye pa Adom ninti. All right. Racho yenti we.
Yeah, my son say. I'm fine say very 13 years ago. Na me guy be share. Like not ye juma boom. But me person me match into this. Na ye juma boom. Then we became friends. Into us obey my boyfriend. Into me the need day. And if I say you said bad, you said them. But your me gan into me chin if I tell me why I said they mean to me can ye. You said the them. Into the womb me father. And obey ye knock he said that me yami buana me we are about the year me wadi. Yanine musana ask a problem did they say. Along the line, now Colano cano me be walk alanda. Akolani abe 1 year kana me sign him. I say dear. And I'm catching me so Charlie. Me sign him one of you men call you. And I'm sure you to me because this situation na me woman na wait na me name the destiny make it ya Colano. You can say there's a man here and there. You obey no. And I'm sure do as you please. Me then find you by the child, I'll keep it. And say, maybe catch me father, not me father so. And the main conscience on the one. Honestly, me call if you not me na neti. Maybe I do fear no ni ho. And I may call me parents me fear. Almost you no ye. Me change hosa ye no. And I may father say, so one was some more there for fun. I'm so me panicho. And to me, I make you call me parents, me fear. Almost so no ye. Ye de musa 13 good years. Ye I am 6 years, 7 years later. And I may share me pum. It's me worry with the 2 kids. Me worry with the 2 kids. And after our friend, I'm scratching.
my chair was 7 good years one by intermediate my warrior. But so better my share uncola need the anchor there maybe. A baby day. A baby day. And you know what? Me and I says a mechanica. I'm gonna come go. So mechanica, man, can't view. And so this year, March, and some are mechanica. Not long the line, none of my year, the not first one, no call or the call SS. Nina my demand, you must be say, and to not meet me sister or by me, because not me, stepmother Fremont. It's a mobile. It's a situation, I don't know. Charlie, what's the situation? But only look on SS school to JSS. Into me, Mark or Lam, only in call. Sena, ni that embassy, and I'm so no problem, Anka, a day any day. Into the Akolane Koy, but not second one or no woman chain. Since Waba or by this year March around the corona time and I'm still scratchy. My man still come until me I'll make a decision that will please me and my children for me to be comfortable. It means that I won't want to me, you share member. And to me, catch on so, a first one on him chain. Mrs. Abe fan of your promo. Also, there be the identity of me as a cratchy. You can't tell me that now. And also, second one, and second one, need a woman chain. And also, say, man, first one, bar. And he say, Akola, and I'm so about them, Akola, only SS, a walk honum. Or we SS, a walk honum. No, the conversia, no, Abba. And I can tell you, you will not agree. I don't think that you not agree. And I mean,
sister, yeah, rounding up on my wife. They say, the crack, and say, today, partner, because I break.
Nikapani say, Nika me will say, for Sakolani, ye wouldn't want into your gunning. The one who patches a Sakolani bar or bet we are foreign fee. And I'm still.
Oh, too bad. Near time to cross. Best say sometimes I say no, bar not one seminal one who said the obey now because fine problem never buy any day. Now, want me and solve a problem no. Oh, in Colani too, fine. And Bema Ira won't be him. And I worry, Yamia Waduma is to say. And suddenly, after 13 years, Waba back. It is a bottom line open and bano. Oh, it's a honor problem, no, but baby, I do oh, the money very brief. I know who said the best. Say the last part one I'll be me who baby contention. I guess I want to beat me in a where time was yeah. At the end of us, Tiana Mama, Mom said, Mube package was no, and some about a why na a Jumana America Cramina. It will be a money edding. Yamfa who be and find ye in fan sorry. So why? There has been your last one. If I answer so. Hello? Okay. Hello? Me patron, do radio na yen kasawai. Hello? Wow.
Hello?
Doom radio no why?
Good afternoon.
Opani Doom radio no na kasa why? Doom no. Wow.
Hello?
You want any? Oh man. Nyamete has be very fine. It's 7 minutes after 4. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Afternoon, brother.
And to say,
I'm not my own.
and then I'm as about your Yenti was a one and why.
I'm not someone for some unity here. Little fire.
Fire fruit to was it, or I was so being tea about why now fire fruit and now why and I'll coach out now fire.
But for my wire and I'm fire fruit.
Oh, no, creating.
But I.
Okay, you're quitting.
But you're full the same. Now, come on, you're full fast to say no, and you're dead. Because now you're full on for 3 days or so 1 week, Bina, I say, but you do hospital on, but you're
meet you, pa.
You do hospital on. No doctor, and a friend, no can say. So, we do qualify you for now, one and a da. You fool now, which you or draw, be or sketching or see which you are no today. You see, you were hospital and a nurse back could catch me say, you phone 70%. Now, me see you, and the measure now you phone any day, and say,
woman brother almost in the hospital home. It will be if you're not, I see, I didn't want to hear them. I have to say, you fool, Guhan, now, the Sanko Hospital, me call home now. My minister said, some of the real Adenaya, no beyond the men's one, called the real Adenaya. And my minister, or this car or trade do this to me. So if you said your trade drone or none your full age, I said, brother, drone is me, so I full no, I the same. Oh, if you hospital said 3 years, me a being by brother, I don't know a hammer. It me stress a one who no master men and who must make call grace. So me call drone or a drone man, no man, see sometimes me call must say time no to him. Hello.
Sister Moa,
I say time late. We say, I 3 years no brother. We been baby. We say, me die. Me dream. Me how no. Me dream pa quiet.
Okay, me bow. To say no, your friend say no. Person would the best say. Nurse need draw the man. I'm your friend say.
Draw no this scene, son.
Now, only more draw one nurse need disease.
One can grow plants, and I want to
to bed, who says I don't know man needs any saying, because I don't put a Joe one's way.
Better quiet full of fast.
Me patrol, yeah, the Bema counselor, but the me met me a canker crancy. In you pay a dream, a very powerful pa. A toda, and never be out the white dream, Susu, bet me a season. Say a new create me by house, and a bell amount. Oh, and men believe so much in negativity. Oh, say no, why dream no? What they are causes to say? We have to say no. You be na shed that amount we have to say. Oh, it's a crying trying to conceive again. Crowd now I have problem the amount. But what me is a negative in if you team now. Did say? Oh, me fire funa say, and I'm believing God say, Obesama me fufu be when you pray about it, you can get pregnant again. But I said, oh, yeah, there. One crowd when you be crana, nurse ni babe wow cry to even help you get better. Crowd because hey, Obesemi saying, it's not what could prevent you a droby be grand can be wow. One day, me patcher.
I'm not my friend or hand. It's what friend was I friend, no. This will be a night alcohol.
Yeah, then Yamiasi. And yet, you are cosway here. Why?
Matter.
Papa Bills, Miss Reverie, Memphis could be a view. Why? And then Memphis could be a view. Okay, so it happens to be his birthday today. His name is Kojo Entry. Yes, Bra Julius. Now, anyway, the reason why I'm years annually is here and person boy, I mean, that's more okay. Anyway, foot to umpa by Kojo Entry. I say, Fanosa. If we are seeing wrong, I can't even be a cadiba to piano. Obey radias. Why? Happy birthday to you, Mr. Music Man, the maestro, Kojo Entry. Oh, I'm not here only night. Oh, yes, he got up a way now. Goodness. Oh, yes, it was a dancer. Yes, it was a real. Yes, it was a real. So 12 minutes after 4, and a happy birthday going out to you. This one says, girl, there's no better friend than you, and there's no one I would rather share my thoughts and secrets with. You are a true companion and a great woman. I wish you only the best. Lots of love, health, that every one of your dreams may come true. I will always be there for you. And I know I can count on you too. Love you. And this one's coming from Esther to Benedicta Cole. Hey, any Benedicta, Esther Pewasem Papa. Wow. So a happy birthday going out to you, Benedicta Cole from Esther, aka 24. And a happy birthday going out to Mrs. Mavis Sowa of Legon Business School. Happy birthday, though belated. Yes, yesterday was your birthday. Hope you had a great one. So a happy birthday to you, though belated, Mrs. Mavis Sowa. OAL Legon Business School. And this one's coming from my wife, Mrs. Menza. All right, so counselor aye krado ewa homano so enti yebehwe na ye no ahiem na fi ye din komo. Counselor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ye gidi ye say adom nti o hoye. Adom nti yenso ye hoye pa na ensem na ebi ha adwen kakra ne ade a. For the very last one, Imami fire funu Emma Nessus furniture said they not the so Timishan who ye, yes, I want na Timian stay near there. It will stay hospital for some time till so sign Befi or Befi, and I said the name make a calculation shut down Queen or sign call back to the hospital. No, Ness Nino, a year so called to do be their babe one a drew na or the man no. Also, say. Said na mwana ninyi se na ntimi antena na asay, and since then she's been trying na ontimi conceive bi ene ade a teacher say the issue no ti no hu say yem one wo honamu ni hunhumu na anka asem no eti ono ni issue eno no eti for you so
okay, let you know the man no na ma you carried.
Yeah.
Yeah, the first one can't actually.
And only proof because me ne kasa no ni bisa no say na be dan hu ono ni susu no no and I make a chance say be crowd and no put a boy no
if it is medically there will be a
you better now you are reconnected to a counselor na fi yeah, no, atwaso, and as we wait to do so, no, my main Kai will say, MTN pause and chill promo no, and so Gusujina now so then pa, so to me any points now, and she be a November baby, so to favorite mashup bundle no on star 567 hash, yes, star 567 hash, and now on the MTN pause app. Now, on sweat me and Yaquena, so can you parado bit me winning up to 5,000 Ghana cedis of free food and shopping vouchers and a data pina. Now, I shall say from the 1st of October, Nyame Adom the 30th of November, and a beba area. So keep bashing up to win large. MTN Pulse, just be. We there for you everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. Yeah, trust na any counselor and she baby and you do counselor. Well, sorry, I'm going to drop it.
It will be medically say it's not less than the man. And the master de liba no, and it's a different issue.
Yeah.
But engineers do me say no, that's the man no. It's not the need, that's one. Number two, want to know what you mean. What medical examination to know why I want to know what you also consider. But at the end of the day, no.
Wow. Today be some way. Asante afaso. All right, you better reconnect. What I say? But my music has a question with you. Loved one be now one kasakra no. Aya wumwa obehia se obetun ro. Obeto yes prescription medicine a would we be ana. Aya na toda wo find it very difficult pass so betimi anya enura hodo na wo hia ni nyina. Na fin so kra betimi manage cost because every month be ana yetutu nro num ni ade Americans you dey what to do so we den aboso bi esa auto. So we will be our situation here to say more and they asempa aba de ama komode na aba nyina say muti aba for you was abri mu ya chese nipa bra boy some way thanks to almighty covid say muti and a trusted provider for quality and affordable medicine. You trained and trusted pharmacists no are available so bit me aboa affiliate a year or prescriptions no when you call very easy and once or best sending or prescription no via mymuti.mpharma.com. You better na ya validate ama na fe ya dispatch ye in Bruno e dia bro so wa kra tema na se kaswa Patrol bit me after 055-813-4375 and I'll best send a WhatsApp at their call 0248-410050. Now ya sort you out. Muti be jumani nama kama pa. Counselor Samba o manu subi me ene to us. Hello counselor.
Hello Jerry.
Na de ahomano no oni yakopa.
Yeah. Now we can say the medical issue no say all will be medical examination to find out identity will be because they don't know yes the examination about the fact don't mean conceive who say be man to be in yes the no you don't even go to be a different person way or much say oh be along the line it do be now fire anything the amount will be now once of finance be on to me will be then she will know the way forward. But also can say in Bible.
Yeah.
I believe in prayers. In Bible, yejima. But the first thing is that me person okoye medical examination. No much say the reason want to mean consider after the first 1 year ACD. Once that can be done, then we can take the rest into prayer. But for the meantime, you bet me na bompire.
Okay.
That's what I can see for the meantime. But uncle check it. On no much say you win you can't conceive again. But we're not giving a cautious to say next amount yes like you're saying sometimes you see what you credit make it problems amount. And about the conception what do you play very vital role?
Sure.
Because when you create the no what you have I do come here no in one thing and that's alone the main problem. In the Bible be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Transformation takes place after the mind is renewed. If you make a case, don't call your medical examination first. You say the reason only consider there because of the burn of fire. But that for the prayers, you're the bomb because I believe in prayer. There are instances that could be known by it meeting a media or there are so many testimonies.
Okay.
If you don't hear medical examination first, they will take it from there.
All right. Ladies, unfortunately, you know that me and Cassandra the line drop here, but I'll say she fell in love with somebody I know in the Juma, and somewhere along the line she got pregnant. Or you money be huni papa, but Williams almost say on no wash and once and wakano or we and she and then she got pregnant for the same person again. Now our advising is uncle about his pregnancy, but or refuse. Nti enum na na say be ma no edwane omo contacting a bush and food now omo hu ne whereabouts 13 years on she say wa ware on any kunu and then Ghana resurface and now we demand custody of enkola no and ya say hono na do ye na The line drop in,
yeah. They're wrong. Program is for prevention and at the same time to cure.
Yeah.
You're not going to double edge. You are doing prevention and at the same time cure. Now, because other people are listening to us, I want to start from the prevention aspect. Oh, there are things in life you can prevent, which is only them and Namwa. And it's also we are not to be a woman. So that's the prevention aspect I want to speak about, because there are other people who are listening to us. Because do baby go nyanu kana wo tu wa won tu god on nyakunu ware no no only them anamo they be amaka sasemu and only oba anamo because sometimes you must know what you are looking for. If what you are looking for is not the same thing that the person is looking for, no, it means that the two of you cannot be together.
Yeah.
Now that issue of sex before marriage, you know, not too much. About the come thing.
Okay.
Because it's looking like, oh, I come on. I know the oh, say, and go ni mammy.
Yeah.
And no worry, and could no be any assembly about issues of ma. But the situation which is now, because when you are preventing maybe from happening. And everything the way obey Biano, you have to know that there are replications to the obey Biano. So be very careful about this issue of no binam, the canny and any da, the canny yesi, limited one new problem. Now you got the other side. A man of sister with me about one shenukra. Aquarani or Baba should check in Papano. Be very careful. This mindset, oh, let me now make a quaran because you bar, no Baba Jimba, because you quite better so the any papa, enjoy the nation one. Be very careful. Be very careful. Because on any new back on the way now, or going so going away, you know. Of course, you and it is coming to dominate the trade impressions and never fun. Where were you? Where were you? When the children made you most from the beginning, where were you? So you don't just come in and come and give instructions. You humble yourself and say, okay, this is my bar. Let's go to the right processes so that I can even talk to my children and come closer to the children. But the continue no bar on diapers, on your school fees, no bar, no bar, and one penny, be very careful. Because at the end of the day, listen, there are a lot of people who are working on the surface of this earth. Because of the way they are wounded emotionally. They are wounded. It is sometimes anybody to make the programming Nigeria who are passing on the same pain into their children. Oh, me bunch of me. Because sometimes because of the pain that they have, until they will say, so in yes, and be very careful. If you are not there for your children today, they will not be there for you tomorrow. I repeat. If you are not there for your children today, they will not be there for you tomorrow. Listen, they can give you money. But emotionally, they will not be there for you. Giving money to be here, the end. That where be emotional attention, they will never do it because they never had it from you. So be very careful. All I'll say is that not them and compensating. The man compensating man. So that they can also have emotional with comfort. So compensation, but don't come in and come and dominate people and I'm about the fun bar. Let's all be very careful. If you are not there for your children today emotionally, they will not be there for you. They will give you medical way, they will give you money, but emotionally, and you think your children will come and sit down with you on Nobel Casano and on Nobel Boncomono, they will never come. Let's all be very careful. Maybe what more be able to scriptures. Oh, and now Papa say in the Bible say honor your father and mother. Yes, it is in the Bible. I believe in that. But the same Bible, Ephesians chapter 5, will say, fathers. You see, fathers, do not provoke your children. Ephesians chapter 5 or 6. I say, fathers, do not provoke your children. So don't come and say, oh, honor your father and your mother. And the Bible says, yes, I believe in that. I believe in the scriptures. But the Bible also says that fathers will not provoke their children. That's why be very careful.
Right. I brought you into frame. Also say the problem in there and say some time ago now on masturbate but we jai long ago. And now said that the other day Ochechi Muambi Kusi no. As soon as I saw Bonino, he is facing it now. Just medical problems near there. Now recently Oko Hospital epe in Ruby Mano, and it helped a lot. Now in Ruby side. Okay. All right. And on the end, just a Papa Bills, Anna. Yes, medical bills. It will be Papa Bills.
So the point is,
you're right.
I'm happy to say that
yeah.
So I will not put them in and be out go to YouTube, record it. Come on, ma. So that at the end of the day, some of these things, you know, you don't suffer them.
Yeah. Okay. The last one, also when Timmy I ended the conversation, and I miss a line and drop you. Also, no say or request it anytime you'll be some boy finicubiano. Nikuno imbuano, unya bibia. I say, Obama and person best support in everything. Bia.
Don't say, you see, a man, some of them they are male, they are not men.
What's wrong with them?
They are male, M-A-L-E.
Male, but they are not men.
They are not men, M-E-N.
Wow.
There's a difference between being a male and being a man. Okay? So and there's a difference between a female and a woman. A lot of people want to be men, but they want to run away from the responsibility that comes with being a man. So, ultimately, not only now beside be beyond me. They are not the same. But there are instances where you don't have the capacity.
Yeah.
There would you must say, there BBC, and because of that, you are not in that position to support another man. And no problem. There's a way you have to communicate. There's a way also carry on. Look, a man, I know what is a man, but look, a man compassion. I believe that women are more compassionate than men. I be a baby, I am a little on hotel now. Let me be on yet. All you need to do is explain to your wife. So be a stay, to know. Be a mean to me for we mount at this material moment. And that is where transparency comes in. When they become transparent to their wives, some of the women, they take advantage of that.
Yeah.
Remember, they don't want to come work. Because then they are and I'm young to way. And you woo fee. And the correct word, the correct is, so they are coming for money. So I know some of the men, because of that, they are very cautious on person about your work. But if you are transparent enough, only don't tell me it will never be on by how. So will be there. You see, sometimes you tell them, oh, you don't have it. But don't you show up on it. Or you show up on it. But the vacation is so needy. So if you're a man, be a man. If for whatever reason, what you are, and then say, you're having financial challenges, let your wife understand it. So be at this moment, you will find with mount. But no matter change and no matter improve here. But say, country in Senipano, Casano home, I want to make you home. And you ready to do maybe. Oh, and those things, women, the moment emotionally, on your ready, no. Uko jani nche ko be pamo na ni so di before ba so na ma ware na me yere nkasa me hu me ko ni nchen a o se ma me ne nda. Sometimes the woman emotionally no one ready for sex because they are certain their cause. I'm not talking about sex. I'm talking about some of these things that can make problems sexually in a marriage. So what do you want to know? No, Mr. Nikuni say, what is the problem? Number one. Number two, is the husband in the position to give her what she's looking for? Because sometimes the woman must also be reasonable enough to know say Nikunu at this material moment, you know. Only be if you want to mean for money. But some of them say, oh, only be kwa kuya mami. So Adam for men man namo. No, we don't do that. Know whether the man is in a position to give you whatever you are looking for. So in that position, don't push too much. Be satisfied with what you have. But if the man is in a position to help and it's not minding you, and you see another thing, and that one. You must call the attention of the bush for. So, it's in a position to help me, but maybe some idea on family. Be a man, don't be a male. A lot of people want to be men, but the responsibility is ready, they are not ready for it. And I know that there are instances where people who train, this is the say, contract conform. Even now, therefore, whatever health reasons on to me, even now, but try and explain and be transparent, not trouble. But if you want to be shouting and you need to those things are not proper. But madam, and man, they must also sometimes look at the situation on the ground. No, maybe your mom pamba. They say, I will call me a phantoma. Obiu, your phantoma. We are supposed to be complementing each other. The two shall be one, or the two is one. So your feeling or something feeling. If you are going to do some things, or something feeling out, we must have feelings for each other, have compassion. And the man, I know, idea. It's my couldn't.
All right. Councilor, and that was here. Now, we believe in saying, Yami Adom next week in Sono. Best idea from Nayashe. They are not so a BCA Alpha. It's here that was here for your time. Okay. All right. You. Councilor na yetene kaya Councilor Oscar Sripi na quickly emphasize that my proud sponsors na fi fire irrigated sports and twaso Bell Chapman no any the new party sensation in town temperature we there low in sugar na vitamins womu lime wom black currant na fi lemon kama pa you know 330 na fi 500 ml bottles available in town top pack back be 16 bottles and on second temperature we another quality product if Bell beverages obefra 055 538 5800 now phase 055 538 5900 Bell Chapman for life's happy moments. Now phase as they do on command the Obasima seal where special seal and AGI and Ghana Standards Authority akabu